Today on Lone Star Grills, we're letting El Patron flex its muscle and show off its versatility. From grilling to baking to everything in between, El Patron can do it all. Today it's mouth-watering, melty grilled steak nachos. Once again, welcome back everyone. Our El Patron, also known as the Boss, is the most versatile grill and smoker that we make. You can think of it like a Swiss Army knife of barbecue. It can grill, smoke, do direct heat, low and slow, indirect heat, bake, sear, rotisserie, and it's even a pizza oven. For today's cook, we'll be moving the two middle deflector plates out of the way to expose the fire basket. Then place the grill grates back in place and build a medium-sized fire. Run both top side vents and the lower vent fully open. Now on to today's recipe. We have here a piece of skirt steak that weighs a little over 1 pound. We're going to be hitting this up generously with our LSG south of the border. Coat it well on both sides and then just let it hang out for a few minutes to soak up that rub. Once you get your grill dialed in to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to get your steak on directly over the fire. Flip every couple minutes until the steak is done to your liking. Now we're going to slice this up and build some nachos. Grab your favorite skillet or roasting pan and layer in some chips, beans, cheese, and all your favorite ingredients. And be sure to make a double layer because you're going to need a bunch of this after everyone in the house sees what you're making. And once you've got them stacked up just the way you like, it's time to get them back on the pit. We're going to close both top side vents fully and use the pizza oven door as our exhaust vent. This will force all the heat to come over the nachos before exiting the cooker to melt everything down perfectly. Let them go for a few minutes till they're done to your liking. Then pull them from the pit, load them up with all your favorite toppings, and enjoy. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've got questions on any of our products at any time, give us a call or check out our links below. And we'll see you on the next one.